Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out the ECOFABULOUS Blush in the shade Camellia. I actually got two of this product this month in Ipsy because I redeemed points for this exact same product that I also got in my Ipsy glam bag. So if you have not seen my Ipsy glam bag unbagging, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. But I'm really excited to try this out because I've never heard of this brand ECOFABULOUS, but I was looking them up online and it is such an awesome brand. It's just all about being environmentally friendly. So it says clean beauty, recyclable packaging, and it's in this like tin, which is really cool and unique. I also love that it's made with the good ingredients like organic jojoba oil, organic rosemary oil, organic grapeseed oil, and sunflower derived tocopherol, aka vitamin E. And then it's made without polybutene, oh my gosh, lots of big long words, but it's made without the bad ingredients and has additional good ingredients in it. This is a sample size. The full size retails for $22. And it looks really pretty because it seems like it has a gold glow to it. And I love a glowy blush. So I figured first things first, I'm gonna do a swatch. Ooh, it has a nice buttery texture and definitely has beautiful glow and good pigment too. So I'll have to try and not go in with too heavy of a hand. But so I'm just gonna pick up a fluffy brush, pick up some of the product here. I like that you can actually kind of like tap off excess in the top of the tin. I feel like I tried to pick up the product and didn't really look like much applied. Let's try again. Okay, there we go. Oh, I noticed that beautiful sheen on the cheek right away. It looks really glowy. It doesn't look too shimmery at all, which is definitely what I prefer because I want it to look natural and healthy on the skin. I also feel like this is a really pretty shade, like a natural, healthy shade. I know I probably should stop right here with this amount of blush, but I just want to go in with a little bit more. I actually feel like you can use a heavy hand. It does kind of depend on the brush that you use, and I am using a more like loosely packed fluffy brush, which is probably better for me to use these type of blush brushes since I tend to use a heavy hand when I apply blush. But it looks really good on the skin. A nice texture that doesn't look dry or powdery. A really pretty color. I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other cheek. I think it blends out easily and looks really smooth on the skin. I also am going to just go over the nose a little bit. But wow, I really like this. I have absolutely no complaints. I love the formula, I love the color, and I love the healthy glow that it gives the skin. So it's an amazing blush, but then to think that it also is better for the environment. It has those nourishing ingredients in it. So that I think is what just makes this even better. So like blushes, I usually say is a type of product that you don't have to spend a lot of money on. Like I have beautiful glowy blushes just like this that I get from like Shop Miss A for $1. But at least with this, it's like supporting, you know, smaller makeup brands and supporting a brand that really cares about the environment and about the ingredients that they put in their products. So I feel like that's what makes this which is even better. Aside from the fact that it's a beautiful product, it's just such a great brand to support, and that means a lot to me. I saw that this brand has highlighters, other blush shades. I think I saw bronzers. So if you've tried any of those other products, I definitely want to hear your thoughts on those in the comments down below. Also, if you've tried out this blush, let me know your thoughts on it. But I'd love to get some recommendations of your other ECOFABULOUS favorite products. I am so interested to try out more from this brand and support a brand that seems like they really care. And I just can't stop looking at how my skin has been transformed to have this beautiful flush of color and the glow. I don't even need to put highlighter on with this glowy blush. So yay, I am so happy with this successful makeup review. Awesome product compared to yesterday, which was such a fail for me. But that's why this series is so much fun for me, and why I love getting Ipsy and BoxyCharm and just trying out the different products that I end up getting from those boxes. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.